everyday tips for a naturally beautiful you. Imagine waking up each morning feeling confident and radiant, effortlessly exuding a natural beauty that turns heads wherever you go. Achieving this isn't reserved for the few, it's within reach for everyone. With just a few simple tweaks to your daily routine, you can unlock the secret to becoming a naturally beautiful version of yourself. In a world inundated with beauty products and trends, the pursuit of beauty can sometimes feel overwhelming. But true beauty isn't about following the latest fads or layering on makeup. It's about embracing your unique features and enhancing them in a way that feels authentic to you. That's where these everyday tips come in. They're designed to help you tap into your natural beauty and radiate confidence from the inside out. Hydrate your skin. Start your day by hydrating your skin from within. Drink plenty of water throughout the day to keep your skin looking plump and youthful. Hydrated skin is the foundation of a glowing complexion, so make sure to prioritize hydration as part of your daily routine. Cleanse and moisturize. Keep your skincare routine simple yet effective by cleansing your face morning and night to remove dirt, oil, and impurities. Follow up with a lightweight moisturizer to lock in hydration and keep your skin soft and supple. Eat a balanced diet. Fuel your body with nutrient-rich foods that promote healthy skin from the inside out. Incorporate plenty of fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and healthy fats into your meals to nourish your skin and support its natural glow. Get plenty of sleep. Prioritize quality sleep to allow your body time to repair and rejuvenate overnight. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of sleep each night to wake up feeling refreshed and revitalized. Adequate sleep not only improves your mood and cognitive function, but also enhances the overall appearance of